Later is a popular social media management and analytics tool, but before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know. Stick around till the end because there's a catch when it comes to choosing this platform over others. First, Later's focus is heavily on visually driven content management, especially for Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. While other platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer offer broader social network support, Later shines with its drag and drop post scheduling, which makes it extremely user friendly for visual planners. The second thing you should know is Later's content calendar. It's easy to organize your posts and see your entire strategy in a single view. Unlike some competitors, Later doesn't just give you a calendar, it lets you drag and drop your posts to reschedule with ease. While tools like Sprout Social also offer calendars, Later's layout and simplicity give it an edge for beginners. The third thing is how Later integrates with major social platforms. Later works seamlessly with Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok, but compared to others, it's best known for Instagram management. Competitors like Buffer and SocialBee offer similar integrations, but Later has tailored features like Instagram Post Preview, making it ideal for creatives. The fourth thing is Later's Analytics Dashboard. It provides insight into engagement, follower growth, and overall performance across platforms. However, while Later does offer analytics, it's less advanced compared to Hootsuite, which provides in-depth reports for detailed performance analysis across multiple platforms. Next thing, Later's Media Library. The platform allows you to upload images, videos, and GIFs and organize them easily. However, the storage space can be a limitation for higher tier plans, unlike competitors like Buffer or Planetly that offer more flexible storage solutions. The sixth thing to consider is Later's auto-publishing feature. Unlike some platforms that require manual posting, Later automates this for Instagram and other platforms, saving you time. However, auto-publishing is only available for certain types of content, and some users find that it's not as reliable as with other platforms. The seventh thing is Later's pricing model. Later is more affordable for basic plans compared to Hootsuite, which has a much steeper entry-level price. But as your needs grow, Later's higher tier plans become more expensive compared to others, especially when you compare to Buffer's flexible pricing. The eighth thing is Later's story scheduling feature for Instagram. It's an exclusive feature that makes it stand out from some competitors, especially those that don't allow you to schedule stories in advance. This is a real time saver for businesses focused on Instagram stories. The ninth thing is Later's customer support. While their support is generally responsive, users report that the knowledge base could be more comprehensive. Hootsuite and Sprout Social, on the other hand, are known for more robust customer service options. The 10th thing to know is Later's link in bio tool. Similar to Linktree, Later offers a way to create a customizable link in bio page, which is useful for directing followers to multiple links. Competitors like Buffer and SocialBee do not have this feature built in. Next, Later's mobile app is designed to help you manage your social media on the go. The app provides an intuitive interface, but compared to competitors like Sprout Social, Later's mobile app lacks some of the deeper analytics features. If mobile management is essential to you, this could be a downside. The 12th and final thing to know is the limited functionality for team collaboration in Later's lower tier plans. While tools like Hootsuite offer better team-based features on their entry-level plans, Later only offers this on higher tier subscriptions. If you have a team, this might be a deal breaker. So, is Later a good option? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for simplicity and Instagram-focused tools. But if you're after a more feature-rich experience or a more flexible pricing model, consider our recommended solution, which you can try for free.